Hello everyone, I'm happy to finally present my new project to you. I got my hands to a broken JBL Partybox 100. Which does not want to turn on anymore. Unfortunately, the box is in very bad condition and all parts lay around. Nevertheless, I first tried to check the power cable. As you can see, there are solid 230 volts. Next, I try to check if the power button is damaged. After I press the button, you can hear a beep, if measured between two legs. The button works too. I lay the power button board aside and dedicate myself to the power supply inside the party box. The energy flows through it into the main board. Maybe something burned because of overvoltage. The measured voltage seems normal. The power supply works. Before I will search deeper, I first want to open the rest of the shell and check the battery. I know. It is not the battery that causes the box to not turn on, because there is no reaction, even when I plugged into the socket. But I want to see the battery from inside, because I plan to upgrade it in the future. The battery life of this music box is, as I heard, terrible. The battery connector is glued to the mainboard. I try to remove the glue with some heat. The battery is a lithium-ion battery with 4 cells connected in series with a total capacity of 2500 mAh or 36 Wh. The top cover is glued down. You can open it with a little bit of force. Inside are grey Samsung 8650 cells. The measured voltage shows a full battery, which means that the mainboard charges at least the batteries. Back to the mainboard. I loose the remaining screws and take out the board with its frame. The frame is in bad condition, and I will fix it later. First I remove the knobs to unmount the frame and get a clearer look at the board. It seems like there's some corrosion, maybe water damage. I try to remove the corrosion with alcohol and also clean the connectors. I use a very soft brush to not damage the small SMD parts. After that, I check the connections between the resistors and the connector. And everything seems fine. I assembled some components to check if I had already solved the problem. And yes, as you can see, there are some lights. But can it already play music? Nice! Also the lights are working. But before I reassemble the music box, I have to fix the mainboard frame. I don't want to paint it, so I wrapped it in vinyl foil. After I remove some of the bulges, the foil is applied slowly and bubble-free with the help of a card. In the end, I cut out the holes. After that, I put everything together. One final test if it turns on and off. Perfect! I try to clean it a little bit with nail polish remover. And et voila! Finished! One last additional thing. Unfortunately, after a while, the well-known error came back. I put a wire directly to the resistor to surround the defect. As always, have a nice day and thanks for watching.